Hi everyone, Sat Shri Akal, welcome to my channel. One more Steal the Style video, and today let's talk about one more South Indian actress. Today's actress is actually the one whom her fans fondly call Lady Superstar. I'm talking about Nayanthara. She made her debut with Malayalam and Tamil movies, but right now she has carved a niche for herself and she can pull off any role perfectly and comfortably. At the same time, this dusky beauty looks beautiful on and off screen. So if you are a fan and you want to know more about her secrets, please keep on watching this video. Just like almost any other actress, Nayanthara drinks lot of water and fruit juices throughout the day. She believes in daily cleansing, toning and moisturizing. As she works in hot and humid weathers, she never leaves her home without a sunscreen. She prefers Ayurveda products than over-the-counter ones. She trusts Neutrogena and Clinique for her skin. Nayanthara has got a very thick mane and bouncy hair. She likes oiling them regularly. Also, she is fond of wavy hairstyles. When it comes to her body, there is no excuse for Nayanthara. She works out regularly and eats a proper diet. She does yoga to remain slim and fit. She prefers a beautiful and flawless base before applying any kind of makeup. To make her eyes look more glamorous, she always uses an eye curler before using a mascara. She loves bold eyes with lot of kajal in it. She is fond of thick eyebrows and she likes to take care of them. She also prefers using lot of mascara. And when it comes to her blush, she matches it exactly with her lipstick. She uses a brown tone for her cheeks. We all know that Nayanthara has mastered the art of nude lips. It's her signature look. She loves a glossy brown lipstick with a hint of coral to match her skin tone. So here we come to the end of today's video. I hope you like Nayanthara's secrets. This video in particular was a little difficult for me because I couldn't find her secrets that easily. I checked so many magazines, I checked so many interviews, and because of her less presence on social media, there was very less information about her skin and beauty. But somehow I managed to gather all these small secrets for you. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. In case you want me to do a similar kind of video for any of your favorite actresses, either in Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood, Pollywood, or the small screen actresses even, please write her name in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It means a lot. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. I am present as Punjabibeautyonduty. So here I would like to conclude today's video. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.